He loves it.
Yeah, he doesn't even just donut walls.
He's eating, goddammit. Poor man's eating. The real question is, what is he eating? Ooh. What does a mayoral candidate eat for lunch?
Yeah, I know Ramenos. I know.
Something super fancy, I bet.
Oh, right here, right here.
5-star meal.
Yeah, that one's being driven.
Yeah, you know what
I
I'm
don't
saying.
want to murder.
Oh, the one up there, up top.
Ooh.
He's eating caviar.
Oh.
Eugene, do not fucking drive.
Oh my god, Eugene.
Oh my god.
All right, let Ramee stay in here with Carmela, and then me, you, and Hutch will go on this. What? Because you can't be with this? That's why? I don't know. Why can't I get on this fucking thing?
Why are you so bad at this, Vinny?
No!
What in the world?
Vinny, can you just get up already?
I can't.
Can you just get up? Can you stop fucking around?
No!
Holy shit!
Ramee! Carmela, drive to the drive to the back.
Can you drive?
Oh, I gotta go on the fucking truck.
Okay, I'll follow
Back
you.
up, back up. I need you to go towards the back. Over here, come here. Right there, stay. Move up a little. All right, give me a second. All right, thank you.
Oof, all right, where to? Oh, casino. Oof, oof.
If you're gonna fucking oof the entire fucking time we're on this fucking thing, I'm gonna bop you over your head.
There's not very much suspension in this, Vinny. What do you want me to do, Vinny? There's not much suspension.
Eugene, you're basically CG now. We don't RP, so just stop.
Oof, what is that supposed to mean? What the hell is
Stop it!
RP? What does that mean? I don't understand. What is RP? What does that stand for? I'll put it on the screen.
Role playing. Right here? You want me to put one? Okay, give me a second.
Why not?
Stop.
It's stopping.
Duh.
Nice one, Vinny. Nice one.
Why can't I get up?
What is wrong? Why are you so bad?
What the fuck is going on today?
Need to back up a bit.
There we go.
There we go.
Bro, why can't you put it on the sign? What the fuck?
I noticed that earlier, actually. Some things
I don't get what the fuck is going on with these sprays.
They changed them?
I don't understand. Move over to this one.
Did they make them boring?
Yeah, I can't put it up there either. Can you not take my head off?
This thing is whatever. You
Yeah,
know?
no, I can't. Can't do nothing.
You used to be able to put them there 100%.
Yeah, I remember.
Done it before. What is happening in this city? What is going on? What is the world coming to?
We got nerfed, bro.
The point in sprays if you can't spray them. What about up here?
Let me try.
You can get up there. It's like a platform.
Stop.
I'm stopping.
No!
Vinny, you are so useless.
Move up, Carmela. Move to the back. Thank you. Bruh. Okay, that's see-through.
You are.
I thought you said you get up there, you stupid fuck. You can't even get on that ledge anymore.
You can do it, Benny.
This is so AIDS.
Hello. We're spraying. We're spray paint. Well, we're trying to.
Bro, what is it?
Not going very well, though.
What is this?
That's what everyone thinks is. And then when they find out it's me, they're like, "Oh, it's fine."
Yeah, I was like, okay.
Uh-huh.
You're not gonna like.
No, I'm not gonna run over cars and blow shit up, you know? It's for tactical height advantage.
Are you spraying? Like, what they do?
Well, it's not working anymore. You're supposed
All
to
right, go
spray
ahead.
anything,
Forget
now
it. You can't do it.
Oh. 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 Well, we need to talk to Fremis. Kind of what the fuck is going on here?
It literally goes behind it. Like, I don't understand.
What happens if you like scrolly wheel? Does that change like does that change the depth or something?
No, it's just it literally goes through. You can't do nothing.
That's helpful. Ah! Ah!
Yo, Rod, thank you for the 33 months.
what you're doing,
Neil,
young
thank you for the
man.
27 months, baby.
Screw you, asshole! Oh, speedy.
I don't know what's going on, Chad. I don't know.
Silly kids these days, huh?
Well, Chad, while we head into the city, I'm going to run a set of ads so I don't interrupt you guys with anything. I like to announce my ads to you guys so you guys don't get fucked over, right? So we'll be right back, guys. Hell yeah, fucking Rod. Hell yeah, baby. Eugenia!
Yes?
Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
Hello? I'm alright, how are you?
I'm about to smoke a doink.
Oh, maybe I can get up to this one.
Let's try this one.
If I go up to this bit, you might be able to jump up onto the... that's a bit high, actually.
No, it should be good. Hold on, give me a sec. Stay
think
back
you can
up,
make
back
that?
up right there. Stay there.
I don't know if you'll be able to make that. Oh! Yeah! Now you don't need to straight. Nope, no good. Oh, thank God, finally. Finally.
Hey, big brain, appreciate it, baby.
I'm driving this damn thing.
Get on it and then like,
Nice one, Ramee. Nice. Good job.
All right, we're good.
More.
bro, you can't even see that. One spray is not gonna do shit, bro. Spray the whole fucking can.
Why are you getting mad?
Vinny, keep going.
One spray is not good, Vinny. You gotta keep going.
Okay.
Jesus, he's trying,
Get
man.
to
He's
work.
trying.
I'm
Oh,
just
I
kidding.
shut off.
I just died. I just died. Oh no.
Everyone's fucking dead.
Yo, put one to the right. No, let me go through you. Is this a crime?
Ramee, what the fuck are you doing?
Wait, bro, I'll do one. I just want to do one. Is there a cop anywhere?
Make sure you save the cans. We get aluminum and plastic back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, save the cans after they're done.
All right. Cheap fuck.
Why are you
Hey,
spraying
Ricardo, what's going on?
Hutch's legs? Hutch, jump the other way. Turn around.
Towards me.
All right, go ahead.
Wonder why you can spray on that and not the little green sign. It's so weird. So strange. Oh, there's another one there on the left. What if we try that green one again? Or this one coming up.
We could try it.
I mean, it's weird you can do it on that one, but not these. Oh,
Yeah.
But I think we need
Makes
more
sense
on
to
that
me.
board.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Bro, we gotta cover the entire, we gotta plaster the whole thing, bro.
I'm trying these. Hold on. Give me a second. Eugene, back up. Let me try these. Nope.
Guess you can't do it these times, I suppose.
Oh, I had it.
Oh!
I got it.
Oh!
It's very sensitive.
There we go.
Yo, Rod again. Thank you for the tier 3 mob life. Thank you for the 9 months. Broken point. Thank you for the 7 months. Sane. Thank you for the 5. AJ. Thank you for the 28.
Perfect, lovely.
No.
Well, you fuck now. Well, good luck.
There.
Jimmy, why are you so fussy?
Where'd they go? Oh,
I don't
stay
know.
there. Stay there.
You can kiss my.
Ah.
Oh, slow, take it slow. This is where you gotta be careful.
Where am I gonna go?
You gotta go into the little divot on the left. There you go, like right there. And then up.
Let's
There you
go. Hold on. I gotta go see if I can get the other way, the other side. Back up.
Oh, you wanna go back up?
Yeah. Okay, right there.
Where the hell the boys go? I think if Ramee sign in about 2 or 3 times bigger, we're in business.
No good here.
Very strange. Picky where it likes to be, I guess. Where the fuck did they go?
I don't know where these dumbasses went.
Well, give them a ring, Dick. I suppose we should all get on the radio. Another one here. You want to do this one?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
We're at the ones, like the little small billboards near the apartment.
I'm gonna try this one. Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye. Hello. Oh, don't you fall, Benny. Don't you fall. Yeah. Bit of vandalizing.
Yeah, baby.
I gotta put them everywhere. Hello. Who is that on the behind us? Oof. They were watching us, the little creatures. Calm down, locals. Calm down. Settle down. Guys, calm down. You can. There's plenty of room. Go around. Go around. Jesus Christ. All right, then onward to the casino. No. Why? For what? What are they gonna do? Where are the others?
Shithead!
You'll be fine. Excuse me! I'm trying not to!
Yo.
They won't get out the way!
Alright, we're coming right now with the apartments.
Sign here.
I'm muted again. I'm so fucking sick of this shit. Eugene, you have to go XLR?
No.
Fucking stupid shit's muting again.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I don't have one.
What do you have, an old
No, I
school
only
mixer?
have one. Yeah, MG10XU.
So I have the big one, I have the small one because I have the 2 brains.
See, that sounds like too much hassle.
Oh, no, it's actually really easy.
Yeah, right. It keeps muting itself, by the way.
Yeah, that's the only downside to it.
The only downside is that it doesn't work 50% of the time. Good.
Cover me, cover me.
What do you mean cover you? Nothing to see here. La, 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 la,
Nothing to see here, guys. Nothing here. Nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
la, 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 la,
la.
We're just cleaning the walls.
Yep, nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here. Nope, nothing at all.
Can we do like a couple of
Yeah,
them?
yeah.
We'll go.
Alright, get one of those here.
Get one of those.
Over here now. And then
Get
after
one
we
right
hit
there.
one here. Okay.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here.
Nothing suspicious.
You stinking driving.
Yeah, they're going to the cops probably.
The who? Fine, I have the Ferrari parked back. We'll be fine.
Back it up, back it up.
Back here we go.
Back it up, back it up. There you go. Perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Perfect, perfect. How the hell did the HOA get that up there? Hello?
Hello, how is everybody doing today? Hello.
Oh, hello. I can't hear you talking. Yeah, we are. I want to try and get them higher, though.
Throwing the party tomorrow.
Yo, how did you get that HOA tank so high up? How did you get that one so high up there? Oh, you just did it from the standard heavy?
Helicopter.
You go to the front over here.
I know. I'm right here.
Yep. Eugene, your voice box is fucked. Your voice box is fucked.
Right now.
Fix your voice box.
Nothing to see here.
You hear me, Eugene? To China.
Is that better?
Yes, now it's better. Go around the other side. You're gonna kill us.
Hello?
Right there.
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you good now. Shut up. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Yeah, I hear you good. You hear me? Okay, we're good.
Pack this whole top around. Like I want the whole border of the casino.
I need more cans.
Yeah, here you go now. Eugene. Vocals are all.
Hey, Kami. Oh, is everybody's voices fucked? Eugenia, go in more.
Can you hear me?
No.
Yeah, yo. I want the whole border of this casino just
You
wrapped
have
with
the
my
sign
spray.
language to me. I can't hear you. Yes.
Do you hear me, Eugene? Eugene.
You guys hear me,
Okay,
Vinny?
Hello, Eugenia. Eugenia. Carmelo, you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Thank you.
Hello.
You hear
Testing,
me?
testing.
Hello?
I hear stuff. Hello,
You hear
yes.
me?
Uh-huh.
Hello, Eugene.
Yes!
Okay, we're good.
The billboards did this. How could the billboards do this? Yeah, fuck the casino up. They were like twice as big, they'd be sick.
Yo, K-Dog, thank you for the brand new Prime, baby. Shane again, thank you for the 6 months, guys. Thanks for all the love today. You guys are incredible,
Right?
man.
So fucked up.
Is that enough for the casino? We're good. Next spot?
Yeah, we're good on the casino. We go to the next one.
We need to get right there.
No, it's good. It's good. There's a lot here. We're fine.
Half of them are getting like absorbed as well. There we go. I think people get the message.
Fucking shit's everywhere.
I think people get the message. It looks good.
Ah!
Food. Or, Vinny, can I get food, please? I'm
I don't
literally
have
dying of
any.
starvation.
I don't
Eugene,
have.
do you have food?
I do.
Yes,
Bro,
please.
how does he get up here and I can't?
Because you suck at it. I got up as well. Hold on. And you drinky poo. Like this
Man, I
video. You
love
just
you.
go, look, it's easy.
You don't have a joint by chance, do you, Eugene?
Nope, I
Where
wish.
do you look through?
Look like
Oh
this.
my god,
You don't look through your eyes
how?
at all, and then you just go up and then you
Wait, you
walk,
don't
and
look
then
through
you
your
go-
eyes?
I mean, I haven't been. You can, but I haven't been.
Ah, I did it!
You did it! Now this that's the harder bit's the second bit.
No, that's easy to. That's easier. Just go right here and lift up, right here.
Okay. Oh my God, Vinny, you did it. Okay, where do we spray now?
Yo, mods, let's get a gamba for chat.
Apartments?
Let's get a gamba for chat. Nah, I don't want to bring this to apartments. It's gonna bring too much headaches.
Oh, don't worry, I already brought it to the apartments.
Oh, what do you mean?
Let's go Rooster's Rest.
No, we're not gonna take up Rooster's Rest. No.
Why not?
Casino.
Bad.
It's
So we
done.
did that.
Bolt's done. Where's the next? Oh, dude, let's go tag up where you get computers. To do
Oh, the
jobs.
laptops,
the
yeah.
prime spot. Yeah. Oof.
Yo, Jade!
I'm just pulling a sick wheelie, man. Chill. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Wiggle. Oh!
Yo, Jade!
Fucking palm trees.
Where'd
Leave the
Ramee
palm
go?
trees alone. Those are beautiful things of nature, okay?
Okay. Good nature, my youth.
Yeah, I gotta get stuff going with the point system, man. My lazy ass needs to get in check with that. People have millions of points. That's the problem.
Excuse me, coming through right away. If you don't give me right away, you'll pass away. Oh, we should spray PDM. Leslie's business up. We should spray up PDM.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna tell you something. You wanna hurry up, or you wanna slow down, Bobby? Because you can't stop when you're already
What
going.
happened, Vinny? You failed. You failed, Vinny. What happened?
You got your bow tie.
You failed, Vinny. What the bloody hell
Fuck.
happened? Vinny, you pissing fail, you knob-goblin
Shut.
thundercunt.
Oh.
Ooh. Excuse me, I have never fucked a queen. That is Randy's lady.
Give me a second, chat.
You want to spray a PDM?
Easy.
I don't think will this vehicle fit down the alleyway of the laptop spot? I don't think it'll fit.
Wait, what? Where are we going next?
The laptop.
Oh, the laptop
I don't
spot,
think this will
yeah.
fit down
I don't think it's gonna
there. I don't think this will fit. That's what she said, dude.
Yo, freaky person with a 3 months, dude.
And then we can do PDM. And spray up PDM.
Yeah.
Fucking
Why is the fucking voices fucking up?
Ah,
Everybody's voices are fucking up.
it's the bunny signs, I'm telling you.
I guarantee you someone will say because it's the sprays. I guarantee you.
Oh.
I
It's the bunny
guarantee you it's
signs.
gonna happen.
Oh, it does fit. Perfect. Ooh. Oh!
He's dead. He's dead.
Fucking dead. Hutch! Hutch, what happened? Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm fucking in tears.
Hutch!
Hush, just re-wake up.
Oh my god, Hutch!
Ah, right. Beautiful, Eugenia. Beautiful. This thing's so odd.
Do it like round thumbs? Kinda. Oh, you can. Oh, I got a good one going here. I got a good one.
Get it.
Boom. Getting it, I'm getting it.
You claim the street, we claim the whole island. When we talk beef, people will start crying. Shoot the police when I'm hearing sirens. I'm aiming to kill, send you to Osiris. We don't wanna fight people that don't put up a fight. Just a thought of war, make them not sleep at night. They are out during the day, but they ghost in the night. They will stab you in the back, loyalty is hard to fight. We are the kings of Los Santos. Rest in peace, the legend, Bojangles. Skirting in the Mustang, breaking ankles. All the cows be mad, leave them in shambles. And Flippy, Curtis, give them little purpose. Everybody nervous, is a clean out service. We be lurking a surge and the police is what we serving. Still riding the wave like
all right.
ICG on top, we ain't never gon' flop. I ain't talking Tetris when we spin a yo block. Going through your window like it's a desktop. I said we are the best, got the city on lock. Get slowly on top, you want chaos, 70 shots, Mr. K, big boss, Bennett, one pass, cross the line, we gave him the world, I guess it wasn't enough. We ain't the end, but I knew me.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello, mods. Pay out the prediction, please. Thank you.
Oh!
Mods.
Don't do the traffic lights, man. Wait, who's that reversing down the road? Running away.
As it is.
Oh! Sal, be careful, Sal. Very dangerous for both of us. I don't know, last time someone did this, it broke this thing being grabbing. It's pretty fragile for some reason.
Alright, where's next?
PDM.
Okay.
You have to be quick on that one, though.
What the?
Doing this. Tagging the world.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
What?
Will I fit under here?
Ah, well, I guess we're gonna find out today.
Oh, it's gonna be a scraper.
Oh my god, you just make it. Eugene! Yo.
Bro, if you go inside the I spray tagged the entire inside of the casino. The entire inside, the ATMs, everything.
We're going to PDM right now.
We're going to PDM right now, and I gave Peanut like 10 cans. He's gonna go to Roots.
Okay, I need more cans.
All right, I don't have that many left, bro. We need more mats, bro.
Bro, we went through. You can't be that we went through 50 fucking bottles already.
Oh, we need to spray tag every business up.
Oh god, I'm dead.
I'm gonna find a way around.
Come to PDM.
I'm coming to PDM. We're trying to find a way around, bud.
All right.
I knew a way around. This maze bank building could be good.
Yeah, like straight ahead, like that's straight. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, give me it. Relax, you sick fuck.
You're a sick fuck. Screw you, asshole. You fucking loser.
Hutch, I'm currently spraying Maze Bank. We'll come get you right now.
You're all going with Damien. I'll come and meet up with you guys. You said Maze Bank?
No. Go to what you call it. PDM.
All right, meet you at PDM.
Goodbye.
Flower beds.
Hi, Eugene.
A little bit higher. There's little flower beds right there. They're like a platform. You might be able to get in there.
Ooh, it's true.
Ooh.
Yeah, the spot I got is good. We just got to go to the other side and do it now.
See if you can get the flower beds there. A little bit higher.
I mean, I look through my eyes. I can go as high as I want.
A little higher, the better.
Go to the other side on the left.
Down. Oof. Kay should be awake by now, shouldn't he? Ooh. Sorry, you can't tow it. It's already being driven.
We're gonna have to tow this, guys.
I'm gonna have to.
I won't shoot you in your face.
You're gonna have to do what?
I have to tow your corpse out of a grave.
Pour my corpse out of a grave.
You can't tow this. It's being driven right now. It's being driven. You can't tow it.
I need you guys to hop out so we can tow it, okay?
Hell no.
Easy way? We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way?
What's the hard way?
The hard way is gonna be my gun in your fucking face in 2 seconds if you don't leave.
Fine.
Is that good enough?
Smell bad.
Have a good day.
Go Ramee.
Okay, let's go.
Fuck you. Suck my dick. Oof. You know what's rude is when people that are rude call you rude. Oh god, this motorcyclist wants to
Oh no.
Oh, Benny's would be good. Everyone goes to Benny's.
I already did one, yeah.
We could do more. Well, we could do more though. Oh yeah, why don't we...
Oh yeah.
I see Carmelo sneaking out of there.
Nothing to see here, coppers. Nothing to see here.
We're not doing anything. Cleaning the... It's dirty up here.
Move up.
Okay, right.
Back up.
Back up.
Yeah, right here. Stop.
3 of them?
Yeah, I'm gonna get 3 up here.
You can probably go up and do it from above.
Nah, for what? Just stay right here. You're fine. How many bottles you have on you?
1.5.
What?
1.5. I mean 4.5.
Okay, I need a couple.
Like 50.
Are you guys doing the fucking blimp or no?
There ain't no blimps. What the fuck?
There are blimps like every other mayor election.
Nah, there's only ever been one for the Denzel one.
No,
Denzel and Abdul.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but Abdul was against Denzel. Yeah.
All right, here at the corner.
Yep. Looks good. I like it.
Yeah, that looks very professional, doesn't it?
Hey, random mouse skeleton man.
All right.
Looks beautiful. Hello.
I need more cans. I'm out of cans.
I got 4. I think we're doing the world a service right now. We're
We
doing
are.
a great job. It's not that big. You're exaggerating, Caramella. You gotta get up the driver's side.
Stop!
You're fine, Vinny. Don't panic.
All right, go ahead. Move up.
Keep going.
I need cans. I gotta get you cans. Drop your cans.
God. Vinny!
Ooh.
Here you
Is he
go.
dead?
Wait, are you okay?
Why does
You're
this keep
actually
happening?
dead?
He wasn't even that high. Vinny wasn't even high. For God's sake.
Cerberus did this.
Oh my God, Vinny.
Assassination
You
attempt.
gotta breathe.
How did this happen? How have you and Hutch both got downed by the vehicle?
Here, I'll
How does this
the
keep
hospital.
happening?
Okay.
Is this Cerberus?
Carmelo, what are you giving me CPR for? I was breathing. You just wanted to kiss me, didn't you?
No, I just wanted
You
to be
just wanted to
dramatic.
kiss
You
me.
could do
Okay.
that.
You could have just asked me for a kiss. I would have kissed you.
I was being dramatic. but
Right,
it looks
Carmelo,
bad on
right.
Cerberus. Come on.
You literally just, all you had to say is,
Double
Vinny, can I have a kiss? And I would have kissed you. It was that simple.
Hospital, I'll carry on.
Yep, okay. There's actually spray everywhere. It looks so good.
Yeah, listen, we can't get billboards. We gotta, you know, we gotta fucking, what is it called? They tried to
I didn't
assassinate
get
me,
it
Carmelo.
before. I know. How could Cerberus do this?
Improvise, that's the word, yes.
It's so fucked up.
I gotta turn all these cans in.
Hello? Someone tried to assassinate my friend. Please help me.
Yeah, I'm her future husband. I need help, please.
Oh, Vinny.
What's up, bro?
So evil.
Cerberus trying to put a hit out on me, bro.
Who?
Cerberus.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Make sure you spread the word.